Great advice on how to be successful in the stock market. Investing is a topic that has the potential to both intrigue and confuse. When done well, it has the potential to generate significant wealth, but can also result in serious losses for those involved. The key to smart investing is knowledge. Take the tips in this piece to heart, and you will have the tools you need to earn real profits. Pay less attention to the various market voices that are trying to bombard you with data on price points. This will allow you to gain more information on the performance of the companies you currently invest in or plan to invest in, giving you the chance to make smarter decisions. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. It is a good idea to spread around your investments. Investing in a single type of stock is very dangerous. If you decided to put all of your money into one specific investment and the company fails, then you have just lost your entire investment and your loss is total. Companies with wildly popular goods or services that seem to gain visibility overnight should normally be avoided. Instead, wait to see if the business does well in the long term, or it could easily lose its value as quickly as it found it. You might want to stick to reliable products instead of fads when choosing stocks. Many people find investing to be a challenge that they wish to undertake. The potential upside to wise investing is almost limitless. The best way to make the most of your investments is to arm yourself with facts. Use the guidance in this piece, and you will have a great start toward achieving your financial goals. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.